Hello students, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Omkar English Classes. In this video, I will teach you past perfect tense, double task, use of before and after. Students, in the previous video, you have learnt past perfect tense, single task, in which the single work is done in past. But in this video, you will use two tasks in translation using before and after. Students, before going ahead, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get latest NCERT and grammar videos. Past perfect tense. How to identify it? In the end of sentences in Hindi, we find the following words like चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे, या था. या था means लिया था, किया था, दिया था. ये थी means ली थी, दी थी, etc. ये थे means गए थे, पढ़े थे, etc. This tense expresses the completion of the action in remote past. Students, in past indefinite tense, we see the action is done in recent past. But in this past perfect tense, we see the action in remote past, before or after a work at the time of speaking. You will see two types of sentences using before and after. For example, बच्चों के आने से पहले माताजी ने खाना बना लिया था. Students, there are two tasks, बच्चों का आना और माताजी का खाना बनाना. There are two works. So students, when we face two works in translation in English, we use the word before. But if we see there is a word after, we again use two tasks like कमला के गाना गाने के बाद राधा ने स्टेज पर डांस किया था. We see two words in Hindi. One is pehle and second is baad. So there are two types of sentences using before and after. Both of the sentences have different formulas and different structures of translation. In the first sentence, the English is mother had cooked food before children came. But in the second sentence, Radha danced on the stage after Kamla had sung a song. Students, in the first sentence, you see we have used had and third form of the verb first and came second form in the last sentence. In the next sentence, we have used second form of the verb after Radha and had plus third form of the verb in the second sentence. So students, both of the sentences have different structures, but be serious with this tense. You will learn both of the structures next. Affirmative sentence, double task. Students, in the previous video of past perfect tense, we have done single task sentences like वह घर जा चुका था. But in this double task, we will use the sentences like मेरे आने से पहले वह घर जा चुका था और मेरे आने के बाद वह घर चला गया था. So students, double task sentences we use before and after. But first we will learn use of before in past perfect tense. Students, if you find a word before means in Hindi pehle. If you find the word pehle in Hindi sentence, so how will you translate it? Double task use of before first work done. From the sentence, find out which task is being done first. पहले कौन सा काम हो रहा है उसको हम पहले ट्रांसलेट करते हैं. फर्स्ट वर्क डन. देन बिफोर. देन लास्ट वर्क डन. दूसरा काम कौन सा हुआ है वो हम लास्ट में ट्रांसलेट करते हैं. First work done will be translated in past perfect tense. Then before. Then last work done will be translated in past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense, I had already made the video. It is on my YouTube channel. You can search there and learn if you have forgotten. So students, the formula of past perfect tense will be subject, head, third form of the verb, object, then before, then last work is subject, second form of the verb and object. For example, मेरे स्टेशन पर पहुंचने से पहले गाड़ी छूट चुकी थी. In this sentence, find out which task is completed first. पहले कौन सा काम पूरा हुआ है? पहले गाड़ी छूट चुकी थी. गाड़ी छूट चुकी थी. This sentence we will translate first with had and third form. The train had left. Before. Then which is the last work? मैं स्टेशन पर पहुंचा. This sentence we will translate in past indefinite tense. Like I reached the station. So what will be the sentence? The train had left before I reached the station. Next sentence. पुलिस के आने से पहले चोर भाग गया था. Which task is done first? चोर भाग गया था. The thief had run away before police came. Students, keep in mind, we always use had plus third form. Which task is completed first? जो काम पहले होता है उसको हम had and third form की हेल्प से बनाते हैं और जो काम बाद में होता है उसको हम सेकंड फॉर्म से बनाते हैं. मीन्स पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में बनाते हैं. Now again double task but with the use of after. We have learned the use of before, but in this slide we will see the use of after. When we find a word in Hindi that is baad, ke baad. In this sentence, we will see which work is done at last, which work is secondary. The secondary work here we translate first and the primary work we translate next. So when we find the word ke baad means use of after, in this sentence we will translate last work done, then after, then first work done. Last work done, as I had already told you, will be translated in past indefinite tense plus after plus first work done in past perfect tense. स्टूडेंट्स, आप आफ्टर यूज कीजिए या बिफोर यूज कीजिए, बट जो फर्स्ट वर्क डन होता है वो हेड प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म से ही ट्रांसलेट होगा, चाहे वो बाद में ट्रांसलेट हो रहा है चाहे वो पहले ट्रांसलेट हो रहा है। और जो लास्ट वर्क डन होगा वो पास इंडेफिनिट टेंस में ट्रांसलेट होगा, चाहे वो पहले ट्रांसलेट कर लीजिए चाहे बाद में ट्रांसलेट कर लीजिए। फॉर्मूला इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस आफ्टर प्लस सब्जेक्ट हेड थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। एग्जाम्पल्स, वृद्धा के मरने के बाद डॉक्टर आया था। स्टूडेंट्स, हैव यू सीन द प्रीवियस स्लाइड? In that slide we had used word before, but we are using the word after now. So in this sentence we will find which work is secondary. Second work कौन सा हो रहा है? बाद में डॉक्टर आया था, तो डॉक्टर आया था ये सेकंड वर्क है और वृद्धा पहले मर चुकी है ये फर्स्ट वर्क है। तो while we are using after, so we take the secondary task first. The doctor came after the old lady had died. Next, चांद निकलने के बाद आसमान में सितारे चमके थे। Which work is secondary? बाद में कौन सा काम हुआ है? आसमान में सितारे चमके थे। इसको हम पहले ट्रांसलेट करेंगे पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में। Stars shone and after the sun had risen. Now negative sentence of past perfect tense. Again use of before in negative sentence. First work done, again before last work done. Again past perfect tense, before and past indefinite tense. Again the formula will be subject, had, not. This is very important that while using a negative sentence, we make negative sentence which comes first. जिस सेंटेंस को हम पहले ट्रांसलेट कर रहे हैं वही नेगेटिव बनेगा, लास्ट वाला सेम रहेगा। सी सब्जेक्ट हैड नॉट थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट बिफोर अगेन सब्जेक्ट सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट। एग्जाम्पल्स, चोर के भागने से पहले पुलिस वहां नहीं पहुंची थी। पुलिस had not reached there before the thief ran away. Students, we have made negative sentence the part we have translated first, not the second one. वर्षा आरंभ होने से पहले लड़कियां अपने घर नहीं गई थी। The girls had not gone to their houses before it rained. Negative sentence of past perfect tense with use of after. Students, the structure of negative sentence with before and after is different. Now we will learn the use of after in negative sentence. Last work done plus after plus first work done. Last work done in past indefinite tense plus after plus past perfect tense. Here the formula is subject plus did not. See the use of did not carefully. Students, In use of after, we make the sentence secondary in the first phase. पहले हम सेकेंड वर्क को ट्रांसलेट करते हैं आफ्टर के यूज में, एंड वी यूज डिड नॉट प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म इन पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस आफ्टर प्लस सब्जेक्ट हेड थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. एग्जाम्पल्स: हवा चलने के बाद बादल नहीं आए थे. इन दिस सेंटेंस फाइंड द सेकेंडरी वर्क. जो काम बाद में हुआ है वो है बादल नहीं आए थे. इसको हम पहले ट्रांसलेट करेंगे नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में, क्योंकि ये काम बाद में हुआ है और बाद में होने वाला जो काम है उसको पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में ट्रांसलेट करते हैं. तो नेगेटिव भी हम यहाँ पर पास्ट इंडेफिनिट का बनाएंगे, न कि पास्ट परफेक्ट का. बादल नहीं आए थे. द क्लाउड्स डिड नॉट कम. स्टूडेंट्स, वी यूज फर्स्ट फॉर्म विद डिड. क्लाउड्स डिड नॉट कम आफ्टर द विंड हैड ब्लॉन. सेकेंड, मुझे नौकरी मिलने के बाद उसने कठिन परिश्रम नहीं किया था. उसने कठिन परिश्रम नहीं किया था. He did not work hard after I had got a job. Interrogative sentence. Again, use of before. Students, how will we use before in interrogative sentence? It is of two types, yes no type and WH type. So in yes no type, the formula will be first work done plus before plus last work done. First work in past perfect tense, then before, then last work in past indefinite tense. So here we will make interrogative of first work done. So in yes no type we use helping verb before subject. So in the formula, head, subject, not. We use not if it is necessary. If we need, we use. If we don't need, we will leave. Third form of the verb, object, before, subject, second form of the verb and object. Example: क्या तुम्हारे घर पहुंचने से पहले माताजी ने खाना बना लिया था? Which work is done first? माताजी ने खाना बना लिया था. This is our yes no type sentence. We will translate it first in yes no type. Had mother cooked food before you reached home. Now WH type sentence. Difference is again the same in yes no type and WH type. Before the formula of yes no type, we use a WH word and our WH type formula is ready. See the WH type formula. WH word, head, subject, not, third form of the verb, object, before, subject, second form of the verb and object. Example is: मेरे घर पहुंचने से पहले बच्चे कहाँ चले गए थे? So the second work is बच्चे कहाँ, first work is बच्चे कहाँ चले गए थे. Where had children gone before I reached home? Interrogative sentence, use of after. Again, we will see two types of sentences in interrogative: yes, no type and WH type. How to use after in interrogative sentence? In yes, no type, last work done, after, first work done. Last work in past indefinite tense, then after, and first work done in past perfect tense. Formula is did, subject, not. Not if it is necessary, we will use. If it is not, we will leave it. First form of the verb, object, after, subject, head, third form of the verb, and object. Students, while using after, we translate the second work first. So we will make interrogative of second work here in past indefinite tense. Example, क्या मेरे जाने के बाद तुम्हें मेरी याद आई थी? तुम्हें मेरी याद आई थी? This sentence will be translated first in interrogative. Did you remember me after I had gone? Now WH type sentence. WH word plus did, subject, not. First form of the verb, object. After, subject, head, third form of the verb, and object. Example, मेरे जाने के बाद उसने तुमसे क्या कहा था? उसने तुमसे क्या कहा था? This sentence we will translate first with WH type. What did he say to you after I had gone? So students, now you have the exercise to fill in the blanks using past perfect tense. You will face the use of before and after. So be sharp while using verbs in the blanks. There are two verbs in the brackets. First verb is for the first blank and second verb is for the second blank. Use proper use of form. So students, be careful.
Students, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this channel and press the bell icon if not pressed. Students, one by one and slowly I will prepare important videos on this YouTube channel to make you understand more and more about grammar. Further, I will also explain many types of grammar topics like passive voice, indirect speech, prepositions, modals, etc. You will find more and more. Thank you. Have a nice day.